Wondering can people get kennel cough? Pet owners will agree with me that kennel cough appears to be an incredibly worrisome illness in pets. In actuality, kennel cough in pets could be as compared to a common cold in humans. Study shows that kennel cough is really created by a PC virus, not a germs or disease as originally thought. As a result of it, kennel cough can spread out effortlessly, and while the signs of it are without a doubt scary to listen to, getting kennel cough is not always an indicator of something much more risky or significant. So all you dog owners there, no need to worry. All you'll need to do is search for various home remedies for kennel cough. This is because, the good news is, most cases of kennel cough do not need medical interest. There are a number of different nostrum for kennel cough. Several of them consist of typical home treatments, house steaming treatments, soothing botanicals, and homeopathic remedies. Below you will locate higher information concerning these various procedures listed below.Home steaming treatments. A lot of animal owners concur that this is just one of the most reliable methods of managing kennel cough in canines. It entails placing of a spray that has warm water in a space. Warm showers are likewise excellent for supplying this sort of steam procedure. It is recommended that pet dog owners accomplish this process a minimum of 3 times in a span of some day. One of the good points to know is that these are the most cost-effective procedures utilized in ensuring that kennel cough is eliminated. With this procedure, the steam generated actually opens the canine's bronchial tubes, which protects against obstructing of mucus or various other discharges from lodging in a dog's lungs. As soon as these bronchial tubes are clear, the kennel cough signs will be gone. Traditional House TherapiesThis remedy contains basic steps that can be done in your home to eliminate the kennel cough infection from your pet dog's device. For example, pet dog owners must guarantee that their pet dogs are kept in tidy kennels. A good way to do this is to ensure your canine is appropriately potty educated, so that they are not resting or living in damp areas from negligent urination. An additional essential thing to bear in mind is to make sure that your canine consumes healthy and frequently. This will lessen their vulnerabilities to various infections. Wet meals and fresh food assistance in this, enabling your canine to recover faster than anticipated. Comforting Botanicals are different products on the marketplace that can be made use of by dog owners as home remedies for kennel cough. These items aid in strengthening the immune system of your pet dog in order to avoid infections. Some of these items include Plantago Lanceolata, Bryonia C6, and Purpurea.Homeopathic remedies. Homeopathic home remedies show to be the most reliable home remedy for kennel cough. These remedies consist of KC self-defense, Respoke and homeopathic nose relief. Ensure that you utilize these solutions as advised in order for them to be effective. With the variety of nostrum for kennel cough readily available to pet owners, I'm sure you could agree with us in that there is no have to be extremely stressed if your household pet agreements this infection. While kennel cough symptoms might sound terrible when your pet is experiencing them, in the scheme of points, they are absolutely nothing as well serious. If you are unsure about the cough though, I want to tell you about a way you can be sure. You'll find all kinds of answers to questions like can people get kennel cough? If you have a dog, it's a great resource to consider. Make a note you can get questions answered like can people get kennel cough are in there.